Welcome guys to my channel. This is my first episode as CHplusplay and I hope you like it. This will be the start of everything gaming for me and everything PC. As you can see, Murphy is joining me. Don't click the mic, please. Don't click the mic. Anyway, yeah, welcome to my first episode and I'm gonna feature my first build ever. See, I took 2 months in advance to study about the parts because I knew nothing. But the last time we built a computer was back in, back in 2004. And I believe Diablo 2 was the last PC game I played. I wanted to build a computer because keep seeing gameplay on YouTube that was running on way more 60 and up. It was awesome and I wanted to experience that. So I took the time, studied a bunch of sites, got some tips from Linus, Hardware Canucks, Awesome Sauce, Jay's 2 cents, and the lady you can see behind me, Betsy. So without further ado, here's the build. Enjoy the time lapse and the final shot. Cheers, guys. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That was the build, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making the video. And yeah, after this, maybe next week, next week we're gonna focus on the benchmarks of Betsy. You're gonna see how well she performs, and after that, the week after, maybe we'll focus on some Overwatch team play, a lot of fun stuff with the Division, and maybe some Dark Souls 3. I don't know. Let me guys know what you guys want to see. We have a studio at our disposal, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of this channel. This is only the beginning, so yeah, subscribe and let me know what you guys think with the comments below. See you guys next week.